to hustle, there ain't no time for sleep. Just keep on moving, do what you're doing. You always play for keeps. Ain't backing down, no, we're going big. Ain't stopping now, we get after it. Get after it! Oh, get after it! Light that fire! Yeah, get after it! Light that fire! Get after it! Light that fire! Get after it! Light that fire!
Natupadan natin yung dream wedding natin. Ayun, kasama natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Ayun, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo sa binigay mong pagkakataon sa akin. Yung pagmamahal mo na sobra-sobra na kahit anong mangyari, hindi nagbabago at sobrang, alam mo yun, patuloy mo pa rin akong minamahal.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings.
Una sa lahat, gusto lang kitang i-congrats.
Cover me,
Ayan, so syempre, kasi binabati kita dahil ako yung pangasawa mo. Syempre,
be my last chance. Sail on with me, up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me from amongst the air, your heart is breathing. Follow me for one moment. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Thank you for the wonderful 7 wonderful years. Hindi ganun kadali ang nangyari sa atin sa loob ng 7 years. Maraming hirap, pagod, gutom. Yung ginawa natin para matupad yung mga pangarap natin.
There's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further, then the storms appear. Lines all fade and done. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Welcome to our wedding!
In the grip of your arms, far from where I am. We see the other side. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Hi, babe. Thank you sa 7 years na minahal mo ako, inalagaan mo ako. Alam ko na nasa tamang tao ako at alam ko hindi mo ako papabayaan. At ang future family namin, maraming salamat sa lahat and mahal na mahal kita.
We're living it together. We've been together na. We just wanna get married and make it right in the eyes of God and in the eyes of men. And I wanna commend that. I wanna honor that. Kasi the idea of intimacy is something that we wanna understand. If gusto ninyo na itong marriage na to, it's not just a beautiful wedding, but a beautiful marriage.